Day 37 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach in this pile of Pokemon cards and pull me out a pack to open every day. Today she's picked out Journey Together, which we have opened a couple of times in this series. We've had nothing except one Clefairy EX card. I think this set's really hard to pull from, personally. I don't think I've ever had a big pull from this set, so hopefully it stays today. Don't forget, every hit in these packs are going to go into a binder, which I'm going to give away at the end of the year should I hit 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along so that can happen. I'm also pretty sure that we've hit the Magina Rare twice in this set already for the binder, so let's hope that we don't put it for a third time. The Wall, Kecleon, very nice.
No! God!
I just checked the footage back and that is the third time we've hit that, so I'm definitely not putting that in the binder. I'm going to put the Kecleon in because I really like the artwork, but that is day 37 done, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 38.